you're considering setting up your business or you want to work out from your home, a home office will help you get more focused and productive with the time and tasks you have in hand. Hello there, I'm Aparna. I'm your personal coach, helping you upskill yourself to lead the life you desire. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. Setting up a home office isn't without its challenges. For many of us, space is at a premium. There are many distractions and it's hard to separate your professional work with your personal. So today I want to share with you a few tips on how you can set up a home office with the hope that it will inspire you to set up yours. Let's get started. Get a separate space. And I cannot emphasize this enough. When you're working from home, especially if you're a woman, the boundaries between your personal and professional work can quickly blur. Give yourself a degree of separation by creating your own workspace. Ideally, this place should be noise and distraction free so that you can focus on the business that you're trying to build. For a home office, all you need is a desk and a chair. So try and see if you can repurpose an existing table or an old desk in your house. If you're considering buying a new desk, then I suggest you invest in a standing desk where you're not just getting your work done, but also improving your health. But if you're going to be sitting for several hours, then consider investing in a good chair. Enforce office hours. Just like how you created a separate workspace, you need to create separate work timings. Office hours, if you may call them. The beauty of working from home is that you can seamlessly integrate your personal commitments and your professional ones into your planning. My office hours typically work around my husband's and son's schedule, client appointments, networking meetings, and my daily rituals. This works for me perfectly, but it's important to figure out what will work for you so you can justify all the rules that you're playing in your life. Keep this space only for work. It's important that your workspace is sacrosanct, which means that you will do only work and related activities there. My desk and the items on it give me a feeling that I'm in a real office. Just like in corporate world, it is for work only. Do not use the space for any other activity. Fix interruptions. When you're working from home, you can easily give in to the interruptions. If your business needs 100% concentration and if you get interrupted, you will lose the flow. So it's ideal that you create a mechanism to counter these interruptions. Create clear instructions to everybody at home that these are the timings that they should not disturb you no matter what, unless it's of course an emergency. Most of my client interactions, the coaching calls, are on video. So I not just have to focus on what is happening in the call, but also have to ensure that the place where I'm having the call is absolutely noise-free. So I created a mechanism of sticking out this simple notice that I created whenever the call is in session. At first, my family was offended, especially my son. He did not heed into the instructions, but slowly with time, he began to understand the boundaries. When mom is at work, she should not be disturbed. Plan your time. Starting work from home and creating a business can be seriously overwhelming. It pays to invest time into carefully planning where you want to take your business, what are your business goals, and how you intend achieving them. Especially if you're a first-time entrepreneur like me, you need long-term and short-term goals and drill it down to the level of what is it that you need to do today to achieve those goals. I created a video specifically on this topic, so you may want to take a look at it. Keep your finances separate. This is not rocket science. Everything about your business needs to be kept separate, especially your finances. The money that you put in initially, your investment could be in the areas of Shop Act registration or creating a logo design, building your own website, having your visiting cards printed, whatever it may be. So do not use your savings account for this. Ideally, it is best that if you invest in a good business account. This will save you loads of time and effort if you're filing taxes. Also, having a business bank account will make it much easier as you scale up and get audited. Have processes and procedures. It's useful to create a formal system of operations for your home office that you can follow. It need not be very formal, but standardizing your record keeping, logging in, logging out times, paying invoices, responding to emails and other administrative tasks will help you get structure in your day. It'll also help you keep your office organized and information handy when you need it the most. Personalizing your space. There's a reason why you chose to do business from home, isn't it? And like me, if you're passionate about it, you will be spending a lot more time in this area, working and thinking about work. And if you're like me, you would want this place to welcome you. You need an ambience. I like my office to be vibrant and energetic, so I have a lot of colors around me with the subtle music playing in the background. I also love certain fragrances around me. My olfactory senses help me get my productive best, so I ensure I light an incense or a candle burning that can help me trigger this. Right now I have this reed diffuser that I picked up in my recent travel that gives me the very subtle smell. This place gives me absolute joy. There you go. Those are the tips that I followed when I was setting up my home office. Do you have any other point that you want to add into this list? Or do you want me to detail out anything in particular? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video resourceful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you take good care of yourself. Bye.